Good day, class. Today we are welcome to another physics lesson, and in today's class we shall be discussing acceleration. Acceleration is one of those basic concepts we need to understand to enable us get the best out of the relationship we want to establish between motion. Like in our previous class, we talked about three types of graphs, where we talked about the distance time graph, and we say the slope of a distance time graph is speed. The next one was the displacement time graph, and we say the slope of a displacement time graph is velocity. So we shall treat acceleration to enable us to understand the concept of the graph called the velocity time graph. So in today's class, we will first of all understand what acceleration is. When we understand the concept of acceleration, we will go further to talk about uniform acceleration. And when we discuss uniform acceleration, we shall also look at instantaneous acceleration. By the time we define and explain these three concepts, it will lead us to understand the reverse or the opposite of acceleration, which is called retardation or deceleration. Now, acceleration, as we all know, is the increasing rate of change of velocity with time. What did I say? The increasing rate of change of velocity with time is called acceleration. Now, by that definition, if A represents acceleration, if A stands for acceleration, then we are saying that U should represent initial velocity, and then V represents final velocity. And when we have these three, time is involved, so T represents time. So by the definition we are saying that acceleration A is equal to change, increasing change, that positive change in velocity all over the time that is taken for the change. Now, by this definition, we can rewrite this to say that A is equal to, for you to get the change, it will be a difference between the initial velocity and the final velocity. So we say that acceleration A will now be equal to V minus U all over T, where V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, and T is our time taken to bring about the change. Now, by this definition, we can actually determine and